Have you ever wanted to see your mobile phone screen directly on your laptop or PC without using any paid software, cables, or third party apps? If yes, then you are in the right place. So let's get started. First, let's focus on the laptop or PC. So first, right click on the Start. Then go to Settings. Now go to System. Scroll down a little and you will find an option called Projecting to this PC. Click on it. Now this step is extremely important, so please follow carefully. On the same screen, click on Optional Features. Next, click on View Features. Now click on See Added Features. A new window will open. Here, search for Wireless Display. Now check the box. Then click on Add. Note, this is not an external file. It is an official Windows feature that needs to be installed. The installation may take a few minutes, so please make sure your laptop is connected to a stable internet connection. Now wait patiently until the installation is completed. Once the wireless display feature is successfully installed, go back to Settings, then go to System, and again open Projecting to this PC. Now you will notice that all options are unlocked. Make these changes carefully. Set Require PIN for pairing to Never. Under Ask to Project to this PC, select every time a connection is requested. Then set Always Off to Available Everywhere. These settings ensure a smooth, fast, and trouble-free connection. Now click on Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC. Now you will see a screen saying that your PC is ready to connect wirelessly. At this point, your laptop setup is fully complete. Now we move to the phone. Take your Android phone. Note, your Windows laptop or PC and your Android phone, both devices must be connected to the same network. It can be the same Wi-Fi network or even a mobile hotspot. Both work perfectly. Now swipe down to open the notification panel. Now look for Smart View, Screencast or Cast Screen. The name may vary depending on your phone brand. Tap on it. Now your laptop name will appear in the list. Select your laptop or PC name. Wait for a few seconds. And that's it. Your mobile screen is now mirrored on your laptop in real time. Whatever you do on your phone, apps, photos, videos will appear instantly on your PC screen. But remember one thing, this method supports screen mirroring only. You cannot control your phone from the laptop. However, this method is perfect if you want to watch mobile videos on a bigger screen, view photos clearly, and present or record your phone screen. When you are done, disconnecting is very simple. Swipe down on your phone and turn off Smart View. And on your laptop, press Ctrl plus S and the connection will stop instantly. And that's how you can wirelessly connect, mirror, and share your Android phone screen with your Windows laptop or PC easily and completely free. So that's it for today. If this tutorial was helpful for you, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.